2-liter bottle of a soft drink. You're used to a 100-meter dash. You're used to maybe a pill being 200 milligrams. Those are all examples of the metric system. So more and more we are using the metric system. We'll now talk about the metric system having to do with length. And the basic unit of length in the metric system is the meter. And it does help to know a little bit about the basic unit, in this case, of length. For example, the meter is a little bit longer than a yard. A yard is 36 inches, right? A meter is somewhere around 39 and 37 inches. 37/100 inches. So keep in mind that a meter is a little longer than a yard, and these conversions will help you. But right now we're going to look at the metric system. So let's look at the following. This is dealing with length. 1 kilometer or kilometer equals 1,000 meters. 1 hectometer, there's the abbreviation, equals 100 meters. 1 decameter equals 10 meters. And of course, a meter is a meter. Notice the metric system is based on our decimal system. It's based on the system of tens. And a decimeter equals 1/10 of a meter. 1 centimeter equals 1/100 or 1/100th of a meter, and a millimeter equals 1/1000 meter, or again in decimal form, 1,000 meters. Since the metric system is based on our decimal system, it's based on base 10, it's very easy to convert from one unit to another. I would suggest, until you have these things better memorized or a better understanding of them, you might want to set up a chart such as this one. It's the same order as the chart we looked at a moment ago. This is kilometers or kilometers, hectometers, decameters, meters, decimeters, centimeters, millimeters. And this helps when converting. Basically, to convert, we just move the decimal point because it is base 10. So, for example, let's suppose we have 1,500 centimeters and we want to convert to meters. 1,500 centimeters. Now a centimeter is very small. We'll learn later that 2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. So about 2.5 centimeters in an inch. So that's a very small thing. I've got 1,500 of them and I'm converting to meters. Remember, a meter is about a yard. So let's see how we convert. I'm going from centimeters to meters. Basically, you just do it on this chart. From centimeters to meters, I move 2 places to the left on the chart. You do the exact same thing with the decimal point. So here's my number, 1,500. There's the decimal point in this whole number. 2 places to the left, 2 places to the left, and you have your answer, 15 meters. 1,500 centimeters to meters, that is 15 meters. You can use unit fractions, by the way, but you don't need to since this is base 10. Let's try that again. The more you work with the metric system, the more familiar you become with it and the more comfortable you become with it. So let's look again. Let's suppose we are given this and we want to convert, I've got to give you the unit here. So this is 400 meters and I want to convert to millimeters. All right, I'm going from this to this. So just do it on your chart. From meters to millimeters, I move 1, 2, 3 places to the right. That's what you do with the decimal point. You move it 1, 2, I'll need to insert a 0, 3 places to the right. So how many millimeters do we have? We have 40 then millimeters. meters. So 400 meters equals 40 millimeters. I would suggest using this chart. It does help.